Hey traders, Arjun here. Rahul opens his chart and it is a disaster. RSI at the bottom, MACD in the middle, Bollinger Bands everywhere, Stochastic on top, 5 indicators layered on top of each other. He cannot even see the candles anymore. Arjun looks at his screen and says one sentence. Remove everything. All of it. Just leave the candles. Rahul thinks he is joking. He is not. Rahul learns price action trading. Price action is trading using only price. No indicators, no oscillators, no verdes. Just candles. Highs, lows, opens, closes. The structure of the market itself. Where the swing highs? Where the swing lows? What story are the candles telling? Price action traders read the raw market. No translations. No interpretations from lagging formulas. Just what price is doing right now. Every single indicator on your chart is derived from price. RSI is a calculation on price. MACD is a calculation on price. Moving averages are calculations on price. They all come from the same source. But they lag. They are delayed. By the time your indicator gives a signal, price has already moved. When you trade price action, you are reading the original source. Not a translation. Not a summary. The original. The fastest possible signal. The two patterns that matter most. Higher highs and higher lows. That is an uptrend. Every peak is higher than the last. Every dip is higher than the last. That is it. That is an uptrend. Lower highs and lower lows. That is a downtrend. Every peak is lower. Every dip is lower. You do not need an indicator to tell you the trend. You just need to look. Higher highs, higher lows up. Lower highs, lower lows down. Structure tells you everything. The pin bar. A single candle that tells you about rejection. Long wick, small body. The market tried to go one direction, got rejected, and snapped back. A pin bar at a support level with a long lower wick means buyers stepped in hard. That is a buy signal. A pin bar at resistance with a long upper wick means sellers slapped it down. That is a sell signal. One candle. No indicator needed. The inside bar. A candle that is completely inside the previous candle. The high is lower than the previous high. The low is higher than the previous low. This is compression. Energy is building. The market is coiling. When the next candle breaks above the inside bar high, that is a bullish breakout. When it breaks below the inside bar low, that is a bearish breakout. Direction of breakout equals direction of trade. The engulfing candle at a key level. This is the strongest price action signal. A bullish engulfing at support means the buying candle completely swallows the previous selling candle. Buyers have overwhelmed sellers right at the level where price should bounce. A bearish engulfing at resistance means sellers have crushed buyers at exactly the level where price should reverse. Engulfing plus key level equals highest probability trade. Nifty at 23,200. A known support level. Price has bounced here twice before. Now it comes back a third time. A pin bar forms right at 23,200. Long lower wick rejecting the level. Then the next candle is a bullish engulfing. It completely swallows the pin bar. Double confirmation. Pin bar plus engulfing at support. Rahul enters above the engulfing candle high. Nifty bounces. 23,250. Then 300. Then 350. It keeps going. Rahul exits at 23,450. 250 points from a clean price action trade. No RSI. No MACD. No Bollinger Bands. Just candles and a level. The chart was clean. The signal was clean. The trade was clean. This is what price action trading looks like. Rahul's price action rules. 1. Identify key levels first, support and resistance. That is your foundation. 2. Then look for candle patterns at those levels, pin bars, inside bars, engulfing. 3. No indicators needed. Trade what you see, not what a formula calculates. 4. Clean charts lead to clean decisions. 5. Structure before candles. Always know the trend direction first. 6. The best trades have multiple confirmations, pin bar plus engulfing plus level. Price action is the purest form of trading. Strip everything away. Just candles and levels. If you see it, you trade it. If you understand it, it is simple. I am Arjun. Follow for more stories from Rahul's journey.